come over it, and of course we never do because there's always more important things to do. But if I'm leaving it as a finish, this is what it could look like, right? You smooth it out and you flatten the straw out, and that's what over here. It's a beautiful finish. I love this finish. Right? So you can make, you don't have to leave it rough. You leave it finished.
And it's just troweled, it's not oiled or anything?
Troweled,
Just
not
troweled.
oiled. This is just troweled at the right timing, right?
This is wheat straw.
This is wheat straw. You could use rice straw, I don't care. Any straw. Pine needles, I don't care.
Yeah,
I love hemp right now.
Yeah.
I know, huh?
But I don't have it here, so I can only play with it when I'm in Europe. But here's
Driving truckloads down from Colorado.
I know.
How many?
We'll soon.
Yeah, shavings, you can use hemp fiber. Oat straw is really good too because it's soft and easy.
It's soft where the rice is adorable.
I never thought of pine needles. That's pretty
What
cool.
about colors for this?
That's just, I love clay, the natural color it is. And once I start having to play with pigments and shifting it, I get kind of miserable.
Okay.
But you can. And you can always go to paints. But you can always add pigments. Like if I wanted to, I won't ever try to change the color a whole lot. If I am and I want a multi color, I'll start with a white clay base. But for exterior finishes, you're usually going through so much clay that it becomes really expensive.
I've always wanted to,
Great. So
like,
really,
what's that?
really small chopped straw, and then they probably just
Well,
press
this is
in the
a
big
vine
pieces, huh?
below, and there's the mesquite up there. That's the mesquite, and that's the vine. Yeah.
Look at that beautiful little
So
stove.
this is pure clay,
So cute. What a shape,
just
huh?
polished. This is now polished versus the shower wall.
Pure clay, are you using, when you say pure clay, are you using like
Well,
a bagged clay product? Or
Now,
are you
by
using-
the end, that's a bagged clay.
Yeah.
You don't. It doesn't have to be pure clay, but it's just easier.
Really, yeah. Really high clay anyway.
Yeah. But it means like no. Yeah, you have to build up the layers to get it so it's flat, smooth enough. So then now you can just do clay slips, no aggregate, and then start polishing it.
The
Yeah.
final coat is no aggregate.
No aggregate.
Wow, so really thin layer.
Really thin.
Wow,
Really
And
thin.
then, so how do you bake the
Look at this
cracking
sweet
on that?
little-
Because you're putting in such thin layers and
That's
compressing it.
why
Stove.
you don't get cracking, because your layer thickness
Oh,
matches
cool.
what you're putting on. If I put it on,
The hell out of it as it's curing, right?
I really like this
yeah,
too.
but yes, but also
Adjustment.
But also, if that
Open
wall
it up
had dips,
for
a lot of
soaking
dips,
air.
it wasn't well plastered in the base, and so here it's going on thicker and thinner and thicker.
pictures
It's
of all
going to
this stuff?
crack
That's
if it's
awesome.
not too thick.
But
That's
you
the
bribe
importance
you
of
to
having
send
good
me an
base
email
and
file.
Absolutely.
So you're saying that when you start off that material, you've got.
I love this little stove. That's just fun.
You've got some aggregate, you've got some stuff.
Sit down
And then
about
you
rocking
underneath,
mass,
Yeah,
man.
as
Oh,
your-
yeah.
As your base
Fun.
substrate, and then you're.
We've been having so much fun with it. I just got back from another trip to
layers of
No, I think there was
Wheaton
two
Labs.
layers of slip.
Oh, yeah?
Playing with
Oh,
rockets, yeah.
Finish like this.
Yeah, I've got 3 ovens up, 3 stoves up there. 4 or 5 stoves now
Wow.
that I've been working on.
Wow. So I think this is brilliant too, this bamboo stuff, the breakup.
Yeah.
Because these things